Hey, this is Alex Kosiniak, and I wanted to do a quick tutorial on splitting up windows in Blender. So you might see that other programs start off with like a 4 layout window for your 3D view. So like a top and front and side and camera. And I mean, that works for some programs, but Blender kind of makes it more dynamic to the user to kind of create your own setup. And I think that's actually pretty cool. But it might be kind of confusing to new users if you don't know how to actually do this. So that's what I want to show you. Now, the first thing you actually want to do is go up to the top here. And once you get the crosshairs at the top, you can actually just drag out. So it's the top right, right up here. So once you get these crosshairs, you can actually left click and drag out. And then once you drag out, you'll see that it's formed a new window. So you've created an entirely new window, but it's kind of a clone of the first one. So it's in the same kind of view. It has the same settings. It has the toolbar and everything. So you can actually make this whatever view you want. So you can now customize anyone and make it kind of unique. So say you want the first one to be a front view. So you would have your mouse over it and you'd press 1 on the number pad. And yeah. And the second one, say you want it to be a side view. So 3 on the number pad. So you now have a front view and a side view to work with. Say if you're modeling something, you can now get the front detail and also model the side detail without having to go back and forth from front and side view. And that's a nice workflow to work with. So what if you actually want to add more? And you can actually do this by continually dragging out windows. And you can drag out as many as you want. I don't actually know how many I can actually do, but it goes down quite far. Now, what if you have an overwhelming amount of windows and you want to get rid of some? Well, it's quite easy to get rid of windows too. You just merge them together. So you do the same thing as if you were going to drag it out again, but instead you merge it back with the parent window, so the one that you dragged it out from in the first place. So say I want to merge this one with this one. You would just go to the top here, drag it until you see the arrow that indicates that you want to merge it with that, and then let go. And you can keep doing that until you actually get back to your single window. So you just keep on merging up or sideways. You can do it any way you want. And eventually you'll have one single window back. Right. I keep on making more windows. Sometimes it can be a little bit fidgety, but you just have to get the hang of it. But that's pretty much it.